Hello friend, let's start today's video. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9 and 10. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's read it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It is dot. It's called dot. It's line. Triangle. Square. Circle. Rectangle. Diamond. Star. Heart. Oval shape. Let's read it again. Dot, line, triangle, square, circle, rectangle, diamond, star, heart and oval shape. Let's read it from starting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Dot, line, triangle, square, circle, rectangle, diamond, star, heart and oval. Hope you guys like my video. Kindly subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.